How to delete Rainbet account. Simply go ahead and then Google search for Rainbet self-exclusion, where you'll be able to see a link that reads self-exclusion. So simply press on this link, and then once you press on this link, it will redirect you towards the Rainbet option. Here you'll be seeing that the self-exclusion is where you can go ahead and take a break from this Rainbet account. Click the below button to start automated self-exclusion process. So simply go ahead and press on this request self-exclusion. Once you press on request self-exclusion, you'll get an email with the next steps will be sent you shortly. So email has been sent to your account where you have created the Rainbet, and then there you'll get to see the prompt that reads delete your account or proceed towards the self exclusion. So simply press on the blue option that will appear right there in your screen. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.